What's up guys, Eric from B-Side. We just finished installing our plug-and-play CarPlay Android Auto retrofit with the upgraded firmware. Let me show you how it works. So right now we just finished installing everything. We haven't set anything up. I'm going to show you how to set it up and also do a quick demonstration here. So it's a factory screen. So first we want to make sure your phone is connected to the car's Bluetooth, okay? Most likely it already is, but if it isn't, go to your menu, go to setup, and then you're going to Bluetooth. All right, you're gonna connect the phone and you're gonna click add new. So we're gonna go to your phone, go to settings, and then go to Bluetooth and go ahead and just wait until it shows up down here. It's gonna show up as hands-free. It's gonna come up as car multimedia. There it is. Go ahead and connect it, go into pair. And then if you want to allow your contacts and favorite, you can go ahead and do that. It's not my car, so I'm not going to do it. All right. Okay, and then next step we want to do is go ahead and make sure your audio source is in Bluetooth. So select media, and you want to make sure it's Bluetooth audio, okay? So once you confirm that, right now, you could tell, you know, we got a song playing in the background. Let me just pause it for a moment. And then you are going to press and hold the map button right here, which will switch the screen over to our S Connect interface screen. So you'll see the Android Auto, you'll see the Apple CarPlay, you'll see the settings. If you click any of these buttons here, it'll instruct you how to connect your phone to this Android Auto or CarPlay. So over here, there's some instructions here. If you select Apple CarPlay, we got some instructions here. And I want to focus on this wireless instructions for this CarPlay because a lot of people get it incorrectly. So as the instructions say, what you need to do is you have to go on your phone, go to settings, and then go to general, and then go to CarPlay, and then wait here, wait until it shows up, and we're going to pair it from this screen. Okay, so it shows up. Let's go ahead and select it. It's going to say NV17W dash with some letters and numbers. You're going to pair. Okay, contacts and favorite, it's up to you. All right, and then we're gonna give about 5 to 10 seconds. It's gonna connect, and once it makes the initial connection, every time you turn the car, it will connect to your phone automatically. All right, there it is. Okay, and then there's another prompt that comes out. Allow NV17W to check for CarPlay apps. Go ahead and allow that. Okay, and after you're done with this, you go ahead and just lock your phone, put it away, and all your controls are over here. So let me just go over some controls. If you notice, the audio in the songs is coming through the car's Bluetooth, not through the auxiliary. So I'm gonna press and hold the map button, take you back to the factory screen. And if you press media, it's playing through the Bluetooth audio, okay? If you open up a map application, so your turn-by-turn directions will also come out of your car speakers in the Bluetooth mode. Okay, you can also use the track up and down, so track up, and you use the track down, also works. And you can also use this track up and also track down for your passenger. And once again, to summon Siri, it's gonna be long press menu. What's the weather? And right now, Siri sounded very quiet. So in order to adjust the Siri volume, what you're gonna do is you go to your phone. You wanna make sure under settings, and under sound and haptics, your change width button is turned on. And while this is turned on, go ahead and summon Siri on your phone by pressing and holding this button here on the right side. And then go ahead and you could go ahead and change the volume. This is gonna be your Siri volume. Put it all the way up. Let's go ahead and press one more time. What is the weather?
It's currently clear.
Okay, and that is a good volume that we like. So we're gonna go ahead and keep it there. So let me go ahead and show you how the phone call will work. So say that you're listening to music, driving down the street, and then your friend calls you. Okay, so you could go ahead and pick up using these steering wheel controls. Testing, testing. All right, and all this, okay, I'm going to hang up. So right now I picked up the phone and the audio is still going through the car's Bluetooth. Another advantage of this system, you could go ahead and press down on the screen and drag, like so. And we also changed the design of the cursor. As you can see, we made a little pink with the border edge on it, so it's easier to see. Okay, so we have all that. And then we quickly go over some of the settings function. So how I went there is under here, go to this settings, go to settings. So all this is going to be pre-configured for you, but just quickly going to go over the functions with you. Go to system. If you have a right-hand drive car, you want to turn that on. And right now, all the audio is being pushed to the car's Bluetooth, so we have this turned on as well. And if you ever want to update your firmware, we have an update. You select here, get the USB thumb drive, and put it into here. This is where we routed the plug for the wired CarPlay or wired Android Auto. And if you click smartphone list, this is depending on what system you use, you could hide the icon on the home screen. And we got the resolution here. This is the correct resolution for this vehicle. If you have a car with a larger screen, the resolution setting is going to be different. Okay, and if you go to Bluetooth, it shows you the phone that was paired. You can go ahead and delete it if you like. It's the device name when you connect, and we have the auto connect on. Okay, and then there's audio. All these controls here does not affect the system when you're pushing all the audio to the car's Bluetooth. But say that you want to use the auxiliary function and you don't want to push the audio to car's Bluetooth, then you could go ahead and make some adjustments here. On the audio, everything is preset for you, so we don't recommend you change it, but if you want, you can. Okay, and then let me show you how fast this device connects. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it on. While the Lexus is booting up, you go ahead and press the map button at any time. Okay, there it is. Okay, and then if the CarPlay device connects before the car's Bluetooth does, you will briefly hear the song that's playing from CarPlay come out of your phone speakers because the phone has not connected to the car's Bluetooth yet. And once the phone connects to the car's Bluetooth, the song will transfer over to the car's Bluetooth. All right, now that I showed you how the CarPlay works, let me show you how the Android Auto works. So what we're gonna do is go to your phone and then go to your settings. Okay, we're gonna go to General, CarPlay, and find this device, and we're gonna turn it off. So on your iPhone, I know we disable CarPlay, but on top of that, make sure you turn off both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when you're trying to set up a new phone. And make sure you turn off the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on the settings menu. Don't do it from the shortcut, because if you do it from the shortcut, it won't actually turn it off completely. Okay, and then grab your Android phone. All right, so we're gonna go to your Bluetooth setting and go down here, and it should show up. I believe it was that one. Okay, let's go ahead and pair. All right, so here's our Android Auto. Before we get into the different controls, let's go ahead and go back to the factory infotainment system, and let's connect this phone to the car's Bluetooth. Okay. Here it is. All right, cool. Looks like it's connected. All right, here it is. Okay, once again, let me go over all the controls. So you could press down on here to select. Here's the music. This is track up, track down. You can also use these, track up and track down. And you can press and hold the menu button to summon Google Assistant. What is the weather? And if you want to go back to the factory infotainment screen, press and hold the map, and to go back in to CarPlay Android Auto map as well. Let's make a phone call. And once again, the phone call is being routed to the car's Bluetooth. Hang up. All right, so one last thing I forgot to mention, we do have a plug here for wired CarPlay or Android Auto, but just note that unless your phone is connected to the car's Bluetooth, the audio is going to come out of your phone speakers, especially right now where we set it up so all the audio goes to the car's Bluetooth. So in order for that to work, the phone has to be connected to the car's Bluetooth. Say that you let someone borrow your car, you plug your phone in, CarPlay is going to show, and the audio is going to come through the phone. In order to move the audio from the phone to the car speakers, you do have to connect the phone to the car's Bluetooth. So just keep that in mind. So I'll go ahead and tuck this to the side. All right, guys, well, that concludes our quick demonstration of our new upgraded wireless CarPlay Android Auto system. If you have any question, leave a comment below, or you can email us at info@bsonicusa.com. Very, very excited for this new version to be out. It's gonna make operating CarPlay and Android Auto to your vehicle very close to your OEM factory experience. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys on the next video.